So, successful day in the track. Blew the engine though, I don't know. Something happened, I guess. Good morning guys, it is currently 5 AM on a cold October morning. We are headed all the way to the west coast of the country where there's this charity event going on where we're gonna race the FIREBIRD. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into the cruise right now. So I'm just gonna pack a few things into the car and then Oscar's gonna arrive and join in the FIREBIRD, and then we're gonna cruise over there with 3,500 RPMs, resonated pipes in a totally gutted race car interior. So that's gonna be interesting. So guys, we made it out to the charity run race. I don't know, we already got kicked out 2 times for drifting and stuff, but now I'm actually gonna film because I got used to the track, so I'm not gonna push it a little more. It's pretty fun little, I don't know, driver technique area or whatever, so I'm gonna check that out in a second. I'm gonna give Oscar the camera and then we're gonna get some nice footage.
Især frisyren, så man ser enormt hurtigt ud. Rødt flag over det hele, så afsted. Du stop. Du rykker bare igen. Det virker. Hvor meget er noget at køre så? Ja.
successful day in the track. Blew the engine though, I don't know. Something happened, I guess. So guys, this is me again. It is Thursday now and the car crashed or blew up at Sunday. Now something weird happened with my insurance company and all that stuff, so it took almost 4 days to deliver the car. And today they called while being at school and said like the car's delivered, and of course I'm not there, so they were like, why should we put it and put the keys and all kinds of trouble and annoying things to deal with. But the car should be delivered, so I'm in the Corolla right now, ready to drive out to the shop, and then I guess we're gonna get some kind of like conclusion or diagnostic on the engine of whatever happened to it, I guess. So we'll take a look into it and actually start to rip it apart, because I have to rip it apart anyway. I'm selling the old automatic transmission, so it's kind of lucky that everything has to get out anyway as I'm selling the transmission and stuff like that. So yeah, let's do this.